So may nagtatanong about actual MOVs for Teacher 6. Dun sa last video ko, ito na, nagkaroon po tayo ng konting time para gumawa ng video about actual MOVs. And hopefully, makatulong po ito sa inyo. Tara, samahan nyo pong panuorin ang video ito. Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to Sir Fox Learning Channel. Ito na nga, gawin po nating applicant ng Teacher 6 si Sir Fox Learning Channel. At ito yung mga actual document for NCUI, actual MOVs for NCUI. Ilan lang po ito, hindi po lahat. Ilan lang sa mga nakita po nating pwedeng maging actual document or NCUI to those who are applying Teacher 6. So nagkaroon pa ako nagsagawa pa ako ng summary about ilan sa mga pwedeng MOBs. Meron po tayong 5 indicators. Use research-based knowledge, principles of teaching and learning to enhance professional practice from PPST 1.2.2. Maintain learning environments that promote fairness, respect, and care to encourage learning from PPST 4.4.2. And communicate promptly and clearly to parents, guardians, and relevant stakeholders about the progress and achievement of learners from 5.4.2. Yan yung mga corresponding MOBs na pwede po nating ilagay dito po sa use-based research. Yung DLL na ginamit mo sa COT, pwede mong i-attach dyan with annotations. Ilagay ko nga din po dyan yung COT rating, pictures of utilization of that. And then, naglagay din pa ako ng mga video lessons na ginawa ko dito sa Surfax Learning Channel as a supplementary materials. Dito naman sa maintaining learning environment, DLL with annotation na meron kang rules and regulation during the COT. At the same time, PowerPoint presentation nung COT mo during the time. And then, nag-attach din po ako ng student handbook. Kasi basically, dapat bago mag-start ang taon ay well-informed ang mga bata sa mga uh, regulations na meron ang school, do's and don'ts. And then, in terms of communication promptly, syempre yung parents-teacher conference, attendance, narrative report. Kung nag-home visit ka, yan, home visitation. Dito naman sa clearly parents, guardians about learners' needs, yung feedbacking. Eh, ganun din, narrative report, grading sheets, attendance, yun yung mga attachments po natin. In terms of participation in professional networks, certificates of participation, syempre, and then yung memorandum na nandun yung name mo. So ito po yung 1.2.2. Ayan po yung ating mga attachments with annotation. Ayan. So yung mga video lessons po natin at the same time yung mga ginawa po nating modules for them. Ayan, may annotation din po yung ating CO. Ayan. Yan po yung ilan sa mga pwede nating ilagay. In terms of learning environment, as I said, yung policies ng school, pwede mong i-attach. As long as na-present mo yan, or kung mayroon kang PPT na nandun na bago mag-umpisa yung klase, may mga best practice ka, attach mo rin yan. Fairness, dun sa mga learning materials mo, nakalagay po doon, indicated po doon yung fairness, ibig sabihin to all gender. Yan. And then in terms of communication, clear communication to parents, guardians. Yan yung mga in-attach po natin. Pwedeng i-attach rather. Kung may GC kayo, yung communication nyo doon. Attendance ng mga PTCs, pwede pong i-attach doon. In terms of feedbacking, ganun din. Attendance, kung may GC, yung mga communication nyo po doon. Report card, grading sheets, report card, or test papers. In terms of participation of professional networks and growth, yung mga certificates of participation, pwede mong i-attach po doon. Alright? So, ayan, naging Teacher 6 applicants po si Sir Fox Learning Channel. Ayan. At sana po ay in a way nakatulong po ito sa inyo. Patuloy na pagsubaybay ninyo po sa Sir Fox Learning Channel. Ito po yung mga possible or actual. Base din po dun sa mga MOBs, corresponding MOBs and corresponding indicators na pwede po nating attach kung ikaw po ay mag-repapa-reclass for Teacher 6. Alright? Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Happy learning, everyone.